All right, everybody, we're back. So, remember me telling you I had to cut down and through here because it, for some reason, pulled in and I didn't even catch it. So that's all welded up now. This is that piece I was talking about. Kind of cap all that off, and I'll grind this out a little bit more. Got this all welded up, this welded up in here. So this side's looking pretty good. Now we'll jump on over and I'll show you what I did with these cap pieces. And I got nothing bolted down, everything's just flapping in the wind. Okay, so all I was doing was just cutting little pieces like this and then sticking them in there, welding it so it hides all this stuff, because like I said, on the original two doors, they don't have this. This is all flush, so that's all we're doing is just making this all flush in one piece. So I'll get this tack welded in there and I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you what it looks like after it's welded. Alright, I'm going to let that cool off and then I'll get back on to welding it. That's pretty much it. Now all we'd have to do is just grind this down, and that's pretty good after that. But all the DA paper came today, but I just don't have time now to sand it all down. Let me turn this welder off. But yeah, that seat took me a little bit longer than I thought it was going to. And I didn't realize that was so bowed right in there. Doesn't look too bad now. I don't know if you can see that or not. I know the door needs shimmed, and that would have taken care of a little bit of it, but it was about 3/4 of an inch, maybe ½ inch. So on the next one, I think we're gonna sand it all down and get it all one color. I know I still got a bunch of body work to do, but I just feel better if it was all one color, and then I can see actually what it's kind of gonna look like. But as for that, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.